In this video, I will show you how to sign into YouTube on your Roku TV. Now mind you, this is also going to work for any Roku streaming device you have. So first things first, you want to make sure that your Roku TV or Roku device is actually connected to the internet. And once you're sure you are connected to the internet, you want to scroll over to this list of apps over here to where you have the YouTube app. So just scroll horizontally to where you have this list of apps, and then you want to hover to the YouTube app. Now mind you, if you do not have the YouTube app on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device, then you just want to go over to apps over here and then go ahead and download and install the YouTube app from the Roku App Store over here. So you can go ahead and download the YouTube app. You can literally see it over here. And once it is downloaded, you want to go ahead and open it up. So come over here and then go ahead and open up the YouTube app over here, just like so. Over here, we have the YouTube app on our Roku TV or Roku streaming device running smoothly. And there are basically two methods to sign into the YouTube app on your Roku TV. For the first method, you basically want to use the camera app on your phone to scan the YouTube sign-in QR code over here on your Roku TV. So basically, you want to open up the camera app on your phone, go ahead and place it just on top of the QR code, just like this, and you're going to see the YouTube link that will be displayed on your phone. But if it does not work out for you, what you want to do is to go ahead and use the Google Lens app, or you can just go ahead and download QR code scanner from the Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone you're using. So for instance, I can go ahead and use the Google Lens app and then just place it on the QR code just like so, and you're going to see the YouTube link over here. So you want to go ahead and click on it, and automatically this will take you to the YouTube sign-in page on your browser. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and confirm if the code that is being displayed over here is actually the same as the one that is being displayed over here on the YouTube app on your Roku TV. If it is actually the same, you want to go ahead and click on continue, just like so. Now go ahead and select the email that you actually want to be logged in. In my case, I have several emails here, so I'll just go ahead and select my preferred email. Now go ahead and scroll down and then click on allow, and automatically the YouTube app on your Roku TV will be signed into your account as well. The second method to sign into YouTube on your Roku TV or Roku device is to basically use your remote control. And what you want to do in this particular case would be to just scroll down and select use remote, just like so. And from here, you want to go ahead and enter your registered YouTube email. So just use your remote control to navigate through this keyboard over here to enter your YouTube email, and then go ahead and enter your YouTube password as well. Now go ahead and enter your password, and once you enter your password, your YouTube account will also be signed in on your Roku TV or Roku streaming device. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.